Bitcoin dropped by 10% during last week, and most of our followers have one question: what could be the next where we can take a trade? Let's discuss about it, because honestly at this moment situation on BTC is complicated. That's the reason why you need to listen carefully. Why it's complicated? Because we have this uncut VWAP from swing high and price here, which means global trend is down. And we have this local VWAP from which price bounced at plus value area low around 74k, and from which it shows to us that local structure is bullish. And the most important question where we can take a trade. That's why what's my plan at this moment with my community. First, honestly, the best opportunity for a short would be if the price, for example, take some range high from 82 to 84, and there we will face some significant open interest absorption, some significant volume spike. In that case, it would be the best opportunity to take a trade. Example for you, if you remember when Trump went into office and price reached at that moment, let me show to you, let's go to 8-hour time frame. When Mr. Trump entered the office, what had happened? You can see massive volume spike at high with no result. That's the best signal of absorption. And when significant absorption happens, of course, you have best opportunity to take a trade, because in that case, your stop loss would be tiny and your potential reward would be in many times bigger. For example, here stop loss was only 3%, and from that moment price dropped around 30%, which is insane 1-to-9 risk to reward ratio. But right now, as you can see, the price is in the middle of this range. It is a horrible place to take a trade. That's the reason why, once more, that's the first and most important area. For me, first and the most important area, it would be, of course, around 82k. If there would be some opportunity, of course, I take a trade. At this moment, as you can see, I set up alert. What would be my potential entry, stop loss and take profit? Before I show it to them, remind to you that you can get access to all of these indicators that I shows to you. Volume, why this volume indicator is important, because you can see aggregated volume from top exchanges and you can see it in dollars, because that shows absorption the best, plus aggregated open interest. How to get access to those indicators? Really simple. There would be a link, open it, special Telegram bot, and after that you will get all details. Coming back to BTC, first potential short, it is, as I showed to you, around 83 entry. Stop loss in that case I would use 3%. First target 1 to 3 risk reward, and second target could be range low. It would be the best opportunity for short. What regarding next opportunities? Also, with my team, we should pay attention to this uncut VWAP from the swing high, and will there be something? But honestly, it is so inside level. That's why I will analyze it only if there would be some significant volume spike, open interest absorption, delta spike. Example for you a few days ago, how Dogecoin reversed after big delta spike. As you can see, aggregated spot delta absorbed, Dogecoin started this beautiful drop. Honestly, only something like that will convince me to take a trade inside this local structure. That's why here I wait for local confirmation. That's why, once more, for short entry I have two plans: first at range high, second at local VWAP. But in both cases I will wait for some volume confirmation to take a trade. Let's go to potential long ideas, but before, once more, push like, turn on the bell, subscribe, because you will get best signals, best updates that will help you make money on the crypto market. Regarding long, honestly, the best long on BTC, it would be, of course, at range low. Because at this moment, as you can see, what's the main problem to take trade right now? That's only one local opportunity was around this value area low plus swing VWAP. That was only one level where it was possible to take a trade, because right now there is nothing. Of course, there could be some situation where, for example, the price retests the 74k area and we face some significant volume absorption. Yes, I would use it as a potential opportunity for a trade to take that long to a range high. That's the first opportunity. Second opportunity, it is of course around value area low of this composite profile, which is around 66, 64. Always point a key zone. It is not a level, because sometimes price bounce before levels, after levels, from 64 to 66. And of course, the last one, it is 60 and below. It is like here. That's why only test one of those levels, and local confirmation convinced me to take a trade. That's why what you do right now, you push like, subscribe, go get those indicators, because they will help you to understand where to take a trade. And right now I prepared for you powerful video lessons where I explain to you those strategies together with all other indicators to take best trades. Because when you have good area plus volume confirmation, you will have the best trades. Have a nice day.